Right, another cool product from MBRP that'll fit directly onto your Mav R is ditch lights. So we have come up with a full bolt-on, plug and play, all wiring, lighting, bracketry, hardware, everything included, all in one box, ready to go. Let me tell you a little bit about it. So we've got our 2 3/4 inch, all blacked out. So totally blacked out. Hardware is black, bezels are black, everything's black, ready to go. We all know we drive our Mav Rs too fast. Well, actually any of our ATVs and side by side, we drive them too fast. So at night, let's see the best we can. Let's get all the light we can. Ditch lights by MBRP, direct bolt on, as a matter of fact. We got a 10 gauge powder coated black bracketry. You can see it simply bolts on by opening up the factory panel. A couple of factory bolts taken out, bolted on, and away you go. Now, the wiring is completely plug and play as well. So from the back of the light, we come into a plug down here, and then we have a wiring harness specifically made for our lighting kit and plugging into the distribution box here to get your power and ground. So we are good to go. Ditch lights, obviously one on each side. You're good to go. We've got them in 275 pod amber. We've got them in 275 pod clear or white in both spot and flood as well. So direct bolt on, plug and play, and you're seeing clearly in the night. So if you want to look up part number SL9219-01, check that out at MBRP.com, or of course, find your local MBRP dealer and pick them up there.